Hi, Sketch Lab friends. Today, let's draw a cute unicorn popsicle. So we're going to start off with the unicorn horn. Look how magical it is. I'm going to curve a line down so it's like a cone. And I'm going to curve 2 lines across. Did you know that unicorns love rainbows? Oh, there goes a little unicorn to say hi. Hi, unicorn. So we're going to add the little unicorn's hair. Its cute little rainbow bangs that's going across its forehead. Awesome. Alright, we're going to draw the shape of the popsicle, so I'm kind of curving a line to the left and curving a line out to the right. And now I'm going to draw the bottom of the popsicle. Look at that, it's a rainbow. Unicorns love rainbows. They're into color theory. So if you didn't know, the scientist Sir Isaac Newton discovered that there is actually color inside of light. Now we're going to draw the little triangle-shaped ears. Another little triangle on the inside. It's too cute! Oh, we got to do the dab. Oh, look at that. It's so awesome. Well, we're almost there. We're going to go ahead and add the expression. We're going to have these little lines that curve up, little rainbow lines for the eyes. We'll add 2 little dots for the nose, for the snout, and a little smiley face. Well, hey, good job, guys. Hey, if you want, go ahead and add some extra details. You can add maybe some little texture on the popsicle stick. Fantastic. Well, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.